What is a queue in programming?
A queue is a data structure that stores items in a specific order, first in, first out, or FIFO. When you add something to a queue, it goes to the end. When you remove something, it comes from the front. This simple rule helps organize tasks or data, making queues useful in a wide range of programming situations.
Basic queue operations.
Queues support two main operations, enqueue and dequeue. Enqueue means adding an item to the end of the queue. Dequeue means removing and returning the item from the front. Some queue implementations also provide methods to check if the queue is empty or to look at the first item without removing it.
Programming examples of queues.
Here's a simple example in Python. Queue equals queue append A, enqueue. Queue append B, first is queue pop 0. In this example, A is added, then B. When we dequeue, A is removed first, showing the FIFO principle.
Where are queues used in software?
Queues are used whenever tasks should be handled in order. Common examples include print job management, customer service ticket processing, and handling tasks in web servers. They are also important in algorithms like breadth-first search for traversing graphs.
Advantages and considerations of queues.
Queues efficiently manage ordered tasks and ensure fairness. They are easy to use and widely supported in most programming languages. However, in some cases, when performance is key, special types of queues, like circular or priority queues, may be used for added efficiency or specific needs.